Want to download and install OpenOffice on Windows 10 or 11? First, open any browser and go to Google. Type OpenOffice and hit Enter. Click on Download under the first official link. Here, you'll see options to select your operating system. If you're using Windows, select Windows. Then, choose your preferred language. If you want an older version, you can select it too. But by default, the latest version will already be selected. After that, click on Download Full Installation. A new window will open. And after a few seconds, the file will automatically start downloading. Wait a few seconds for the file to start downloading. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file. A pop-up will appear, and click Yes. Click on Next, and then click on Unpack to unpack the file. Now, minimize all the open files. You'll find the folder here on the desktop if you selected the desktop as the location while unpacking. Now, let's install OpenOffice. Open the folder and double-click the setup file. A pop-up will appear, and click Yes. A setup window will open. Click Next. If you want, you can change your name or leave it as it is. You can also choose whether to install it for all users or just for yourself. Click Next again. You'll see two options, Typical and Custom. If you want the default installation, leave it on Typical. Then click Next again. You'll now see an option for a desktop shortcut. Keep it checked if you want a shortcut on your desktop. Then click Install. The installation will start. After it finishes, click Finish to complete the setup. That's it, the installation is complete. If you want, you can move or delete the setup file afterward. Now let's check whether it's working properly. To open OpenOffice. Once opened, you'll see a window. Click Next. Enter your first and last name if you wish. Then click Finish. Now, OpenOffice is open. You can choose what you want to use, a text document, spreadsheet, or presentation, whatever you need. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.